Hi there. In our last section, you learn about the conjugate and modulus of complex numbers and their properties. In this section, you are going to learn about the Argand plane and polar representation of complex numbers. So let's begin. Argand plane. The plane with a complex number assigned to each of its points is called complex plane or Argand plane. In order to understand the Argand plane or the complex plane, what I'm going to do, I'm going to consider an example. So my example is, let us consider complex numbers such as z1 is equal to 3 plus 4i. So what I'm doing over here, I am representing the complex number z1 in terms of ordered pair, which is basically 3, 4, which is over here. My next complex number is z2, which is negative 4 plus 6i, and the ordered pair for this complex number is negative 4, 6. My third complex number is negative 4 minus 5i, and if I represent this complex number in terms of ordered pair, I will write negative 4, negative 5. And my last complex number is z4 equals to 2 minus 3i, and the ordered pair for this complex number is 2, negative 3. In order to explain the Argand plane, what I'm going to do, I'm going to graph all these points on the graph. So this is my graph, this is my x-axis and this is my y-axis. First of all, I'm going to graph this point which is 3, 4. So I will go 1, 2, 3 and then 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is my point 3, 4, which is basically point A. In the same way, I'm going to grab this point negative 4, 6, where you can say x is negative 4 and y is 6. So I will go 4 on the negative side of x-axis. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is my point and this is coordinate of point B, negative 4, 6. Now let's consider the third point. My third point is negative 4, negative 5. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go 4 negative on the x-axis and 5 negative on the y-axis because both are negative. So I will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is my point C, which is basically negative 4, negative 5. My last point is 2, negative 3. Where x is positive 2 and y is negative 3. So I will go 1, 2 positive and then 1, 2, 3 negative. And this is my point. And let this point is D, 2, negative 3. So as you can see, all the 4 quadrants can have complex numbers which will be in this form and their ordered pairs will look like this one. So basically, this plane is known as Argand plane or the complex plane, and each point on the complex plane or the Argand plane represents a complex number.